guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra. I'm at Poshmark_7 on Poshmark. I'm on eBay, Mercari, Depop, and I am on Kitizen, but I'm kind of questioning whether or not I want to stay on Kitizen. I might try out Facebook Marketplace because on Kitizen it's one of those apps too where you have to be consistent in listing things that I don't list kids' clothes that often. So I started off selling a few pieces when I was listing things from that box a couple months ago, but I'm just not having a lot of positive on that, and I can list those kids' clothes on all the marketplaces. So I'm thinking about maybe dropping Kitizen for the time being and picking up a different marketplace. We'll see. But I did an unboxing, but my video kind of cut my head off, so we're going to try this one more time. And I'm just going to go through, since I already unboxed it, kind of know what's in here. So I'm just going to make this quick and simple for you guys. I got this in last Friday, and I've got one more box coming in. This box, it was 25 pieces for $60 plus shipping, so all in I paid, I think, like $3 with the shipping. Yeah, it's $3 a piece, so that's good. My shoebox that I ordered is coming from Jomar. This is from ThredUp. My Jomar one, I paid $15 because they were on sale, and it was $15 shipping, so I got 10 pairs of shoes for $3 a piece. So I'm excited to see those come in. But let's get to this box. I hesitated doing ThredUp because I've been seeing some videos where people have just gotten bad stuff through ThredUp. The pieces were ripped, torn, just not good pieces, and other people have gotten really great boxes, even new with tags items. So I hesitated with this, but I thought on some of the other places where I was getting inventory, they either just didn't have a lot, obviously with the holidays, or the pricing was too high, and I'm not willing to pay that much per piece. But I actually, with this last video, I'm pleased with this box. I only had one piece that I couldn't, that I can't list. But let's go through, since that last video didn't work out very well. Let me show you what I have here. We'll just go through this really quick. This one I didn't know what the size was, but this is a really cute, it looks like a short dress with lace. And it's in really good condition. And the, it is Portocry. So anyway, so there's that piece. I'm just going to go ahead and put them back in the box. This is a great piece that I'm going to get going right away because it is a jacket, and I'm finishing listing all my fall and winter stuff. This is Tablet Petite, size small. So there's that, and it's a nice little jacket. It looks like it's in really good condition. There's a pair of pants here. This was by Editor, size 2. You can see that. It's a nice pair of pants. I haven't had luck in selling a lot of dress slacks. I do have some listed. We will see how those do. I've sold more of the casual, really relaxed fit pants than I've sold in dress slacks. This is a really cute dress. Here it is. This is by Lioness, and size was small. So there's that. It's got a lot of ruching. This is a great piece for spring, summer coming up. So I'm glad I got that. This is a Marona size medium, just a simple plaid top that we'll get listed right now, obviously because it's a warmer piece. This actually had tags on it. It's never been worn. It's a size medium by, what was the brand? It wasn't actually Misguided. This is a dress. It's a really pretty dress. Size small, I believe. Size 4. Yeah, so size small. And it's got lace. Really pretty top. Or dress, sorry. So we'll list that, see how that goes. Got some skinny jeans here. Size 27 by JC Crew. So there's that. We'll get those listed. And another pair of pants. Again, I hope these pants do well. These Gloria Vanderbilt is not a popular brand in my opinion. These are an A Petite, but we'll get them listed and see how they do. I am in a very small town, which we really love. We're here for a reason. But because of that, I have to travel to go to thrift stores, so I do a lot of my inventory through delivery. So I have to take in what I get in boxes the best that I can. This is the Love 21 size, large. This is a pretty dress top. So there's that. Gonna have to clean that up a little bit. I'll probably end up washing, unless they're new with tags, I'll probably wash all this before I list it. These are leggings. I don't remember what that brand is. I'm still kind of new to the leggings brands, but there's those. They're just basic black leggings. And then this is another pair of slacks. This is International Concept size 4. It's a beautiful color, so I'm hoping that will help sell, because this is just a really pretty blue for workwear. And then this was a great workout top. If you didn't work out in this, you'd have to wear a tank under it because it is very sheer in the back. And this was, again, Vince Camuto, size 1X. So if there's any pieces you guys see in here that you're interested in, just comment below. I actually have even told people here in town if they find something on my Poshmark and they're local to me, I'd be happy to just delist it and sell it to them. So I do that. So if there's something down below, I'm happy to ship it to you. I just noticed that this has a little bit of pulling. So this is obviously not a new piece. Size large. So we'll have to see if we can do that one. Shorts, which is perfect for spring and summer coming around the corner. This is the JCP, and it doesn't give a size if I recall. So I will have to, oh no, it was under the tag, that's right. This is the size 6. So great shorts for coming up for the next season coming around the corner. Again, I'm just kind of going through this quickly because I already did this unboxing, but the video didn't turn out well. Size medium, this is a Lush. So there's that. This is a long black dress, so I'm going to, even though it's kind of a summer because it's got the shorter sleeves, because it is black, some people don't like wearing black during the summertime because black absorbs heat, so I'd probably get that listed sooner than later. This is an Everlane, size 2. This is a beautiful blue dress that I thought was really pretty. So that's perfect for the season coming around the corner. This again is a really cute, this was Classics Blues, size 6. Just a really cute jacket in good condition. It's lined. So I am going to get that listed sooner than later, just because we are in fall season. That would be, or sorry, winter now. Winter is here. We've already passed through into the winter season. So I want to get that listed as soon as possible. This piece is really pretty. It's again Misguided, size 10, and it's new with tags. I'm going to get this listed. This is a pantsuit. Super cute. So I'm going to get that listed sooner than later. And these were Old Navy, Pixie, and there wasn't a size on these because somebody cut it out. So I will get those listed and obviously do measurements. When I have an item that doesn't have a tag on it as far as the size, I do measurements, and then in my description I say does not have a size tag, please note measurements below. That way they know the reason why there's no size, and then according to my measurements I pick the size in the description the best that I can. This is a really cute summer top. So I'm glad to get this with a beautiful peach color. And this was, this is by Banana Republic, size small. So again, great piece for the coming up season. A couple more items, you guys. I was glad to get this. This is Fabletics. Again, most of my, I mentioned in the last video, I work out, and most of my workout gear is through Fabletics. Scope knit made by Fabletics. I don't know what the size is. I don't know if they actually cut out the size tag, but I will have to do measurements. But anyway, so that's that. Fabletics has the side pockets, which will help. Beautiful color too. People like those bright colors. And this was, I have a little tag catch on my, again, this one is a workout top, but the tag is too worn to be able to see. So again, I will do measurements. And this was, if I recall, yeah, this is Target brand. So I'll just do measurements on this and just again say in the description below, no size tag. This was a really cute zip up in the back top by Ann Taylor, size extra small petite. Another great shoulderless piece. Oh, and this was one of my favorites. This is the first thing that I pulled out. This is super cute. This is by Kelly Graham, New York, Too Petite. I've never heard of that brand before. This is a super cute piece though. It's a really cute dress with the detail in the front and the pockets. So there's that box, you guys. Again, I do have the shoes coming in, and I've got a few other things that were multiple sizings that I'm going to be getting listed. We're going to redo the pictures on our purses, because I have some purses from a box that I purchased a few months ago. I just really want to get through those. Kind of clearing out some old things, even though we've only been listing on these platforms for a few months. We're kind of new at this. We do kind of want to get rid of some of the older things and just bring on the new stuff. So I am also going to be doing a special this weekend. I gave that 5-item bundle that I did this morning on Macari. I gave her the special. I'm doing any items 2+ or more. I'm doing a 50% off this weekend for New Year's to just kind of flush through and get rid of some things. So even if you only purchase 2 items, that is a good 25% off an item. So if you are interested in any of those pieces, please let me know down below, or just go on to my Poshmark and just bundle them, or reach out to me and let me know that you like the 50% off 2 or more items. It's not 1 item, it's 2 or more items, 2+ items. So if you do even 3 or 4 or 5 pieces, you get 50% off the bundle, and then pay for shipping. So anyway, that's the special I'm doing for this week for New Year's around the corner, and the next week is a brand new year and a brand new fresh start. So I'm also going to be doing a video probably later this week on my goals for next year. I do have some goals for next year, and I'm very excited about them. I'm also eventually down the road going to be doing a video on my story and why I'm doing this and how I'm doing this, and to let you guys know about all that. So you guys, this is Monday. And I hope you have a really great week. Maybe you're getting some snow, maybe you're getting some sunshine, depending on where you live. But I hope you're having a really great week for New Year's. And we'll talk to you guys in the next video, and take care. We'll talk to you soon.